Exoskeleton leg lets factory workers sit while standing. Factory workers and surgeons whose jobs require them to stand for hours in one place could see relief from leg and back pain in a form of a wearable exoskeleton leg device. Japanese startup Archelis is showcasing this device named walkable chair at the CES Virtual Tech and Gadget Show. It straps to the legs and disperses the wearer's body weight, making standing easier and less tiring. It is a very lightweight model with a weight of 2 kilograms on each leg. It allows people to walk or move while wearing it, and people can put it on easily regardless of their body shape or size, said Katsuhiko Saho, the company's business development manager. The Archelis FX device, whose name derives from the Japanese for walkable chair, is all mechanical and does not require any electricity to operate. It could also be used by chefs, hairdressers, or anyone who is required to stand for long periods. Saho himself uses it while working on his computer at a standing desk. Archelis FX is scheduled for a market release in January 2021, and it will retail for around $5,000 USD. Surgeon, 外科医生 wearable, 可穿戴的 startup, 新创公司 disperse, 分散 chef, 主厨